We will use these concepts in writing nodes in robot operating system. In this video, we are going to talk about the OOPS concept, that is nothing but object oriented programming, and this is day 7 of 50 days of robotics. So let's get started with the video. So OOPS concept in Python is nothing but a structured way of programming. So that's really simple. There's nothing to define about OOPS. In object oriented programming, we have classes and objects. Classes are nothing but the blueprints or templates that we can use in the further program. For example, if you are writing class for a student information, then you can access that information in other pieces of code. For example, student.py is a coding file that we are creating. You can also create a different file, for example, classes.py, where you can access that information as well. So it's just an example that we are taking, but it happens like this. So this was about classes. Going forward with objects, objects are nothing but the instances of classes. For example, if we are creating a class for students name and age, so we can access that particular blueprint in our objects, that is our instances. That can be to define the name and the age number as well. So this was about objects. Also, the objects are unique because we are using the blueprint to access the student information. But each student has a different name, a different age, or else they can have same name and same age. In that, we can make changes in the blueprint so that we can add the last name as well, or else student ID. So it will be easy to differentiate between all the students. So as per our requirement, we can change the structure of the template or the blueprint, that is classes. And accordingly, we can use that blueprint to access the information, that is to create unique instances, that is objects. It's really simple. I hope you understood this particular concept. And if you have not understood anything, you can discuss in the comment section as well. So this was about classes and objects, but there are other concepts as well, like inheritance and encapsulation. We can discuss that further in other videos, but for this video, these concepts are enough up to classes and objects. That's it, because we will use these concepts in writing nodes in robot operating system. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, go and hit the subscribe button. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.